Hi Taurians, this is your love reading for the month of September. I am a bit late, but take it from today, that is 10th of September, to 30 days. It will last for 30 days. So the rest of September and first week of October, you can roughly take this period. And this reading is for those people who were born between the dates of 22nd of April to 22nd of May. So plus and minus the cusp period here and there in the top and the bottom. So 18 to 21st is the cusp period. 18 to 21st here is the cusp period. So you take it as it applies to you. So the first energy which I see in your love life is of the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Tower. So this means that for some of you in the recent past there has been a truth revelation regarding your love life. Could these, there could be signs of air sign and water sign signs involved here with you, and you have seen a tower moment here. So the tower moment is of a rude shock or a jerk, or your foundations have been shaken because of a truth which was revealed to you in the past. So it could be a recent past thing, or it can happen to some of you in this next few days. So give plus minus 30 days, this is going to happen in your life regarding your love. So it involves people of the zodiac signs of the air and the water. So air and water, you can look up the signs which are there. So or this could be, we can just simply say that this is an emotional thing which is going to happen to you. So love life could be something which you are doing very passionately. It involves that there will be a truth revelation, and this truth will be giving rise to a situation of tower. So the tower is going to shake up your foundations, take you out of your comfort zone, make your life a bit difficult, and bring you face to face with your struggle, bring you face to face with your truth, bring you face to face with something which was unexpected, totally unexpected. Something will happen. So because of that, right now your partner is feeling 5 of cups. Your partner is in pain or sorrow, and you are in this moon energy. So you are feeling that your path is unclear regarding this love. Your path is not the things you wanted is not, they are not happening the way you wanted. So you cannot see beyond certain distance. So you are feeling that there is a block, your path is blocked. So that's why the devil is coming here on your side. That devil and moon is showing that though you are codependent on this person, though you have a relationship with this person, you feel chained, you feel that your path towards progress in this love is unclear with the moon. So this could be a water sign, this could be a Pisces, this could be a Cancer or a Scorpio, or it could be a Capricorn. So any sign. So you relate to your person with yourself and see which sign they belong to. Not necessarily that they will be of this sun sign, but there could be these energies of devil and the energy of moon around you, which is not giving you a clarity in your love life. And with that, what has happened is something has been revealed to you, some area has been enlightened in your love, some light has come into that some area, and it has given rise to a tower situation. It has given rise to a situation which is unexpected, which is a surprise, which could be a loss, which could be quitting this relationship, which could be epiphany in your relationship which makes you love this person more, or something like that. It can be positive or negative, but it is a surprise event which has happened for you regarding your love life, regarding your emotions. Your emotions have got a big jerk. It could be a job loss as well. So anything must have taken place, something must have taken place or will take place in your life. And with your partner you are feeling, there is an illusory energy. You are not clear about their feelings, but I can tell you that they are feeling very very pained regarding your behavior or their own behavior. They are going through sorrow, they are agonizing over whatever has happened with you and them, but they are not giving up on you. They are in this energy of nine of wands. They could be also projecting a victim like energy. They could be projecting a woundedness. They are showing that they have been wounded, but they are not giving up on you. They will be around you, and they have not left you. So this is what I see in your love life. I see that the things which are coming in for you is 10 of cups, the world, and the 5 of swords. So 5 of swords is showing that you will be challenging yourself in this fight, in this love life, and there will be challenges, there will be delay, there will be struggles, conflicts, but you will be getting through that in a warrior like mode. You will get through and get over these obstacles, because I see the world and I see the 10 of cups. So 10 of cups means you can get your ultimate joy in whatever you are doing. If you are connected with someone, there will be a time when things clear up between both of you, and there is your fulfillment happening, there is joy and happiness happening, there is a wholesome period coming in for your love. You will be feeling good. So despite the tower which has happened, despite the ace of swords, a revelation of truth has happened which has played havoc with your emotions. You are going on towards the peaceful time. You will be going towards your 10 of cups. You will be going towards your joy and happiness. And you will, for some of you, you will be quitting some oppressive relationship. So a chapter will be closed. You will be either taking a journey towards your person and leaving some place, closing a cycle at one place of job or something which was keeping you away from your partner. So a decision may sometimes, the tower is for positive. It happens, you have been uprooted from a certain place so that you can go towards your lover. So there is a situation like this happening for you. Divine forces are intervening and they are showing you a path, making you some path clear for you, showing you light by taking you down. So there is this energy of taking you down because you were not understanding the situation. So the divine took that decision and a sudden upheaval has taken place for you, which is showing you a path towards your happiness, towards closing of one chapter. Maybe it could have been for some of you, quitting an old relationship so that you can make space for new. It is painful. The change is very very you know it can cause lot of discomfort, but it is happening for you because you never expected it. But it is going to be better for your future. It is going to bring in success, happiness, accomplishment, and joy, and a travel connected to it. And as you go forward in these days, give it 30 days. Whatever I am telling you, give it 30 days so that it comes to fruition. So as you go forward, the fool comes in. This is your energy of innocence, energy of taking initiative, taking on new love, maybe closing one chapter of love and going towards new love, and going very innocently forward, going taking a plunge. So some of you will take a plunge in love, some of you will take a plunge away from love. So there will be a situation wherein you will decide decide, but not with lot of thinking. You will just go ahead and do it. You will just take that risk, you will just take that initiative. So as you go forward, you are in this fool's energy, and you are taking up the adventure or experiment of quitting something, taking up something new, because a truth was revealed to you. Things were unclear between you and your partner, so you are taking a decision. Either you are taking a decision to, despite your partner's problems, you are ready to go along with that person, or you are quitting that relationship. So this is happening for you in your love life, or you are taking up something absolutely new, someone in your life. So as you go forward, there is this empress like energy. This is your own energy. You will take up this energy wherein law of attraction will be working. You will be nurturing new love, you will be giving, conceiving new love. You will be attaching yourself to things which give you happiness, which gives you affluence, which gives you mental satisfaction. So people will be flocking around you. You will be happy, you will be good in your space, and you will be providing an opportunity to many lovers who can come to you. And with that, an air sign is coming towards you as the Knight of Swords. This person can bring in lot of happiness in your life, but beware of this person, because his or her energy can die down, because it is a very fast energy. It can come and change all your circumstances. So whatever is happening in the future, I will discuss in the outcome. So these are some energies which are new and which are coming in for you, but you will be your empress self, and you will be able to have this energy of law of attraction, and you will attract new love, or your love which had taken a back seat will come back again. Venus will play its role, and there will be lot of love in your situation. So your outcome, your mutual energy. Firstly, if you are in a relationship wherein I told you that your partner is feeling sorrowful, and you are feeling you are feeling that there is no clarity in this relationship, the mutual energy I see is of Four of Cups. So that is, it had to happen, because Four of Cups comes when you are not clear about your things. There is a shut eye kind of energy, wherein you are not seeing the love offered to you, because you are bored, you are frustrated with the struggles you have to go through in this love. So you are feeling this Four of Cups, wherein you are not seeking any new opportunity of love, and you are closing an eye on the offer of love which your partner is offering. And I see you, both of you, in Nine of Pentacles mode, meaning both of you will be your bachelor self or your spinster self. Both of you will not be will try to detach yourself from this situation of love, but this could be a shallow behavior. Both of you are trying to live your own lives, concentrating on your monetary achievements or success in general life, but not getting not speaking to each other. Maybe some of you not interacting with each other as very passionately. So this can be a situation for many of you who are in this in a relationship. So the final outcome I see for generally for all Taurians is that Six of Cups will prevail. This is soulmate relationship will prevail. For some of you, someone new from the past will come in your life. So there could be 2-3 scenarios with the Six of Cups. Soulmate like situation can happen in your life. The relationship which you are in could be a soulmate relation. So there will be balance in this relationship which will come to you. There can be someone from the past coming in, and a good beautiful relationship can start with both of you. Or there could be lot of going back to memory lane, feeling nostalgic nostalgic about your love, but there will be balance in your love situation. Nothing, whatever the struggle or the crisis, ultimately you will be able to sort it out, and your pure and innocent love will prevail. For some of you, I see that in near future you will be committing to each other, you will be reuniting, you will be forging a relationship, a proper relationship, a committed relationship with each other. That is what I am seeing for you, Taurians. I see that something will be accomplished in this love life. Some of you will get a new lover with whom you will forge some bonds. Some of you will be progressing in your love, proposing to a person, getting engaged or married. So this is what I see for all of you, Taurians, and I wish you all the best in your love life. I will come back again in the month of October for you with the love reading. Otherwise, I am uploading different readings for you, next 10 days readings and career readings for you. Please have a look on Tarot Priestess 1313. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.